Fucking hell, nearly went then. Welcome to another episode where we make stuff for YouTubers. So, Chris Slicks has given us the Aventador SV system. Now, that is an absolute mammoth of a system, and it's super heavy. How heavy do you reckon it is?
50 kilograms?
No, 50 kilos. We had to lift it. It's heavy. It's super heavy. It's almost like a two-man job just to lift it because we are not strong. But today's job, we are building the jig around this. We have the hangers at the top, which are bolted. And then we've got the hangers at the bottom, which are actually with these plugs. I don't even know what... Yeah, they're weird. Anyway, we've already got our V-bands from Jack at Performance Tube Products, so shout out Jack. And yeah, basically, it's a quad tip, 2.5 inch system. And I think I think the original system is like 73 mil. It's a weird size. But what we're going to do is we're actually going to reduce the size of the diameter of the pipework. So it's going to go down to 2.5 inch, which in theory makes the gases go a lot quicker and you get your high pitched sound. So that typical V12 sound. I've got Jake here with me today. He's a little bit camera shy, but he's going to be building the jig. He's going to say hello. Hello, Jake.
Hi.
So Jake is the one that I mentioned in Matt's video where he did the CAD drawings on the collector on the, it was a collector on the Veyron, where it's like different segments at a different angle. Wizard. But I'm going to get Jake on this today. I'm not going to film building the jig because it's all the same. Basically, box section, locators. I'll do the next clip will be of the jig built, which will probably be either later today or tomorrow. So, yeah, we'll see you in the next clip, and then we'll start building the exhaust properly. The jig is now done. We say it's done?
Yes.
It is done, yeah. So we've got the tip layout. Let's just have a quick look at the stuff that Jake's just done. It looks super basic as it is, but it isn't. We've got like bracing, Jake's done, let's have a look at that. So yeah, bracing, big brace, bits for the hanger, bits for the tips, which is like removable, which is still a little bit warm, don't touch that. We've got a bar that goes across the bottom because we know there's like a brace that goes underneath. We've got that which sits on the top, so we know that we can't go any higher. And Jake's absolutely smashed that out of the park. Like I said to everyone in the Bugatti video, get yourself a Jake, you need one. Because they're good, aren't they? He's grinning away to himself. So, what we need to do, we've got some tube, we've got some more tube, we've got some V-bands, and now we're going to get making it. So, from what people have said in like previous videos, to stop waffling on. So I'm going to stop waffling on. I'm going to do a time lapse of building this. So enjoy the long time lapse. So that's one side done. We're about probably like 3 or 4 hours into sort of just like designing it. I do actually really like how it's coming together. Obviously we've got the top hanger, if it focuses, got the top hanger at the top, and then we've got the hanger at the bottom. So we just need like a bar that goes up, probably joins here and maybe to the back side of this. I know there's acres of room all the way around. Same with that's just going to come out, sit straight onto like the top side of this, and I'll probably just put the wings, my tag there, which will look pretty cool, I think. So that is one side done. I'm going to mock up the other side, I think. Am I going to do that? Yeah, I'm going to mock up the other side, sort of like the 90 with the leg, and then like I can't remember what that was. I've written it all down as I've gone through it. But yeah, if I do that, do the other side to it, and then I can just do the bottom tips and just like build off the sort of like the long X pipe or like the big merge. We're cutting probably about 30% off of the back side of the tube, so it's going to be like quite not a full merge, but it's going to be it's going to be emerge good enough that it's going to get like quite a high pitched sound. So yeah, let's carry on. Right, we're all tacked up. It is currently 8:30 in the evening, and I need to get in first thing in the morning to get it welded up. I'm gonna do some bits like up top, which is gonna be dead simple to do. And like the collector bit here is like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 18 welds just on the tip section, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what are we, 24 welds. Oh, I'll tell you what, 8:30, 24 welds. Do I get it done now? Friday night at 8:30. I don't know, what do I do? It's gonna be a long day tomorrow. Oh, I'm gonna do these bits on the positioner. Right, these bits on the positioner, I'll film that, and then this bit down here is all gonna be freehand. So yeah, that's tomorrow's job. Right, let's go to the positioner. I'm in a good flow at the moment. This only took me sort of like 10 minutes just to do the 4 welds, and we're all tacked up on there. I'm purging the one side of the tips, and this is the other side there. So I'm just going to fly through these because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8. There's a big gap there which I have to fill, but 8, 16 welds. It's currently 20 to 10 at night, so 16 welds, I could do a lot of them all at the same time as well, so it's going to be a case of just flying through it. I'll give it an hour, hopefully, fingers crossed, I can get it done in an hour. 16 welds, 1 every 3 minutes, maybe not, we'll try. Let's time lapse this. I was on a bit of a roll last night, so it was about 11:30 or so I finished last night. Getting the tips done, so just got the 4 welds left to do, so obviously I did it in sections. Got the, both of these joints to do, both of the top joints to do, then I've got hangers. Hangers is usually relatively quick. So yeah, that's pretty much it. What I have done here, just because I don't have enough 2.5-inch plugs, I have put some like cellophane over the tips, just so while I'm purging the inside, it's not going to come out these 2 tips. Gas is going directly into the exhaust itself, and then it's going out the back. Yeah, the back is plugged as well. So yeah, the gas is going straight there, just so I know I get good gas coverage on the inside. And yeah, we'll get welding this now. done, hangers on, tags on, bolts are in, ready to go to Chris's. So that's pretty much it. We will just have a quick look around. So what do we all think? The annoying thing is with this is, right, on these I can use a cup so you get like the nice constant weld lines all the way around. But then as soon as you get to like the merge and like all this, it's all got to be done by hand, like freehand. First go, it took a long time. It's currently 2 p.m. on a Saturday now, so about to head over to Chris's and we'll see if we can get a sound out of it. So I think from everything for now, obviously, if everyone's come over from Chris's video, you already know what it sounds like. I'll try and get a sound out of it. Well, see if Chris will do that. We'll see if we can get it on. If we don't, this is going to be the last clip of the video. If we do, then the next clip will be on the SV. So let's get a sound out of it. So I've just got to Chris's with the exhaust and we're just about to start it. It's all on. Are we ready? Let's go.
Where's the key? You say this every time.
Maybe that's what the exhaust sounded like. Right, so literally just leaving Chris's, realised not even done an outro. So thanks again for Chris for letting me do an exhaust for the SV. And yeah, don't forget, give us a like, drop us a comment, and yeah, catch you in the next one. Cheers.